Hello traders. Today is the 21st of December 2010, and happy trading to you all. London is now closed, okay, but New York is still open right now. I'm looking at the USD yen currency pair, okay, the currency pair that we title the crazy currency pair because of the hedging activity that usually happen in this currency pair. There's nothing crazy about it. It's just how the smart money is using the USD yen to hedge their portfolio. Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, let's look at this USD yen. Okay, bear with me as I'm playing with this chart here. Okay, um, we want to talk about trading range strategy. Okay, this is what was happening today. Okay, and it's a very powerful trading method. Okay, because in order to achieve a consistent winning trend, okay, one must have some valid strategy. So you do not try to impose your method on the market, but you let the price lead you first, okay, and then you apply a suitable strategy. Okay, so you are not trying to try to forecast the market or predict the market. Okay, there's no point at all to try to focus the market. You can estimate, okay, how far the price can go by using the Fibonacci projection and also chart patterns. This will allow you to measure how far the price will go. If you look carefully on this 5-minute chart of this USD yen, you will see an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, this is the head here, this is the left hand side shoulder, and this is the right hand shoulder. Okay, and you do the projection from here to the neckline here. Okay, and then you project it the distance from here to this level here, and then you project it to the other side. Okay, this is about the inverted head and shoulder. This will give you a bit of estimation how far the price is likely to go, because many traders will use a pattern, okay, or in their trading strategy. So this will allow you to go into the mind of those who are busy using the inverted head and shoulder pattern. But there is another thing I want to show you here. This is about trading range. Okay, there are other traders will use what we call the market geometry. Okay, so this is a very powerful trading strategy. Okay, if you have a strategy, okay, and then you have also a valid trading system, you become a winning trader. Okay, so our aim at a TSTW24, okay, is to give to traders tools that can perfectly work so that they can also achieve a consistent winning trade, because many traders can perfectly trade. Okay, they understand the market, they know the definition of the uptrend, they know the definition of the downtrend, they know that the market consolidate, the market trend, but they just can't achieve consistent winning trade. So they win one day and give everything back and go back again at the back of the queue and start again all over again. Very stressful and start again. Myself, I've been through that process for some time. But when you are a new trader, in my view is that it will take you up to 4 years, okay, maximum 4 years to become a better trader, to start achieving consistent winning trade. If after 4 years, okay, if you have been trading now consistently, you have been trading, very often, but you have been in the market for more than 4 years now, and you are not achieving consistent winning trade, please do yourself a favor, go and get the TSTW24 trading system and be serious about your trading. Okay, or go and see somebody who can help you, definitely, because after 4 years in the market, you should be able to achieve at least what we call a break-even standard. Okay, this is very very important, because when I start trading first, I was losing like everybody else. I was winning one day and give everything back, up and down, up and down. Believe me, this is very very stressful time, and if you are not carefully, you may give up. But there's no point to give up if you are not trading with money that you cannot afford to lose, because there's a risk in the market. Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and do not gamble. Okay, and step by step you will get there. By all means, step by step you will get there. This is from my heart to you. So what is happening here? London, you will pay attention to London opening bell. It's a powerful time because it's the beginning of the trading market for the forex market. You will see at 7 a.m. London time, the future traders will come into the market and start trading, okay? And the people will place all sorts of orders. They probably be going up and down, and these future traders will take the position of those who have been in the market during the Asia session, and they will mess up your trade for you. In some cases, they will mess up your trade for you because people are placing all kind of orders in the market. You will have to remember that more than 80% of traders are losers. So if you are trading trading, you know that you are trading with many people that are likely to make the wrong decision. So you need to understand what is happening in the market. Okay, so this future trader will come at 7 a.m. London time, which is the 2 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, and they will do all sort of things. What was happening before? The reason why I always talk about the opening bell, because it cost me a lot of money. When I was trading before, I was trading all sections. I was trading the Asia session also, because in the night time it's quite quiet, okay? And I will trade the Asia session, and I'll place orders. I'll place this order, buy this, buy, sell that, okay? And in many cases, my decisions were right, okay? But just before London is about to open, I will be taken out of my trade. And sometimes I'm tired in the night and I'll go to bed late, okay? And I wake up after London open, I will see that these people take me out, and the price, but in fact, the price went to the direction that I was expecting to go. So this has been going on all the time, taken out, but my decision was right by being taken out, okay? Consistently, I've been taken out, but my decision was right, okay? Then I said, what's going on here, okay? Because I placed my orders in the night time. But then I noticed that something is going on here, okay? Then I noticed that I must respect the opening bell of London. Once I start respecting the opening bell of London, I start achieving consistent winning trade. Then I said to myself, well, this is serious, because at 7 a.m. London time, the future traders come into the market. Frankfurt is open. All sorts of activity going on in the market, okay? And people, the nighttime traders are taken out of their position. The Asia session traders are closing their position because their trading session is finished, and the London is about to open. Okay, other traders also are coming to the market, and there is a kind of a portfolio adjustment going on. So it's not a very good time to be in the market that time. And you will see as soon as London open, the market will show a clear direction straight away. And it's just happening all the time. You see right here where I put my vertical line, where is the red vertical line, that's where London open, okay? Right there, you see? The price came and touched it here, pop, 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 and then what's happened? It just went down, okay? Came back again to the same level, pop, 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 touched the same level again, and then the movement just went down, you see? How easy it was? London open here, price retrace down, try to retest the same level, validate that level as a resistance level, boom, the price went down. The same story over and over, okay? Another thing I say to people is that do not overtrade. Do not overtrade. Concentrate on your best setup. Know your best setup. This is about, if you are using a TSTW24 trading system, we have a 6 signal, okay? 3 for bullish, 3 for bearish, okay? A single green, okay, double green, and triple green. These are the bearish, these are the bullish signal. And then we have a single red, double red, and triple red. 6 signal, and then we have also what we call the bonus signal, 2 bonus signal. So you know your setup, you know your signal, you understand your signal, and you know what to expect. You know how to filter out your signal. You know when to come to the market. It's not like you're going to come in and say, which setup should I look for? A TSTW24 trader come on looking at this chart, know exactly what to look for. If the setup is there for him, he's going to take it by all means. Okay? If it's not there, he knows. And we have also 3 best time frame. Well, you can use the TSTW24 on every time frame, okay? But our test has shown us there are 3 best time frame for day trading that you can cream the market consistently on it, okay? So you know what to look for all the time consistently. So if you haven't got a trading system, if you haven't got a trade management system, if you haven't got a risk management in place, you need to build one for yourself. if you do not want to join us and become a TSTW24 trader. It's so important. So the market was first in this range. You see where they are draw the horizontal, this range, horizontal line here, where this level here of 8374. Price went to this level here at 8362, up to this level. Just before New York is about to open, the price break that range. You see there was a range from here to here, okay? So the range is clearly defined during the AZ London session, just before New York is about to open. So the market, in fact, during London session on the USD yen was consolidating between these two levels here, okay? And then what's happening here? Why all the time just before New York is about to open, there's a bit of a volatility or up and down in the market? Because now the New York traders, future traders, will come into the markets again. The future traders also, as we've seen it just before London was about to open, the future traders will come into the market. The same thing just before New York is about to open, the future traders will come into the market also. So there is a portfolio adjustment, all kind of activity in the market. Just New York is about to open. You see the price went down, crossed below the range here. It's not by mistake. You have to know what is happening in the market. And also at 8:30 Eastern time, that's where the major news are usually released, a news period. And the smart money do not trade during those periods. Okay, they will be scalping, but that's it. That's it. Okay, and you'll see New York did open exactly on this candle here, this one here, where I put my red vertical line here. You see. So red vertical line, that's where the New York did open exactly on this spot again. You see? So the price went below the range. You will project this range from here to here because it crossed below it to the other side, which will bring you to this level here. This is about trading range strategy, okay? And from there, New York opened here. You see that the price, if you buy here, you will take your profit here. And now New York is opening here, which bring you to the support level of the previous range of London. So you are buying here. When New York opens, you will take your profit here, okay? And then people try to play the ping pong. The price try to retrace near this level again. People bought it again and push it up here, and they took a bit of profit. Now it's up above this the London session. So this is quite bullish. We are now above the London session. We were within the London range first, and then we went below the London range before New York opened. Equal measure of the range projected to the other side. This is about market geometry. Price came back again to the range, went to the top. Now it's above it. We will project the same London session range to the upper part, which will bring us somewhere here, okay, where I'm drawing my horizontal line. This is about a trading range strategy. You see right there, the price went again, touched this range level here and retrace back to the level here. People are playing the ping pong again. They will try to sell it again. If it crosses above this range again, we'll project the same range to the upper side of this channel, and so on and so on and so on. I hope you enjoyed this video about trading range strategy and also respecting the opening bell in order to cream the market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you much.